Hey there, welcome back to Beta Reviews. Today, I want to share with you an amazing all-natural product called TestRX that can boost your testosterone levels. And the best part? It's completely safe, without any synthetic testosterone or harmful substances. Before we dive in, let me clarify something. TestRX does not contain any testosterone. It works by helping your body produce testosterone naturally, which is crucial for maintaining your manly hormone levels, especially as you get older. So, what makes TestRX stand out from the competition? It's the all-natural formula, which includes a powerful compound called ZMA, zinc, magnesium aspartate, and vitamin B6. Studies have shown that ZMA can help boost your strength and testosterone levels. For instance, in one study, NCAA football players who took ZMA for 8 weeks experienced a 30% increase in testosterone levels compared to those who took a placebo, who saw a 10% decrease in their levels. Now, that's a significant drop for such an important hormone, isn't it? That's why TestRX's formula is so effective. It's carefully dosed to ensure that you get the right amounts of each ingredient for maximum results. Other testosterone boosters on the market don't measure up to TestRX because they use low-quality ingredients and weak doses, which don't really do much for your body. But TestRX is different. It's powerful, effective, and designed to help you achieve your goals, whether it's building muscle mass, increasing your energy levels, or improving your performance in the bedroom. Oh, and speaking of the bedroom, higher testosterone levels can also mean a higher sex drive, which is always a plus, right? Just think about it. TestRX can help improve your sexual performance and drive, making things more interesting in the bedroom. But hey, don't take my word for it. Try it out for yourself and see the results. And here's another thing I love about TestRX. It's made in the United States, so you know you're getting a high-quality product with safe, reliable ingredients. With foreign supplements, you never know what you're getting. Some have been found to contain dangerous toxins like aspirin or rat poison, which can be extremely harmful to your health. But with TestRX, you can trust that you're getting a safe and effective product that's made right here in the USA. So, there you have it, folks. TestRX is a natural, safe, and effective way to boost your testosterone levels, increase your strength and energy, and improve your overall performance. If you're looking for a way to enhance your manliness, give it a try and see for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next amazing review. Bye.